Hi, Jake. I was just thinking, do you think it's necessary to visit the doctor every time you're sick?
Hi, Emma. Well, I think it depends on how serious the illness is. If it's just a mild cold, I usually don't go. But if it gets worse or lasts too long, I think visiting the doctor is a must. What about you?
I'm the same. I don't always go for minor things, but if I have a fever or feel really unwell, I'll visit the doctor. Do you always take medicine when you're sick?
Not always. For example, if I have a mild headache, I usually try to rest or drink water first. But if it's a bad headache, I'll take some painkillers.
That's a good approach. So, do you think it's necessary to take pills for every headache?
No, I don't think it's mandatory. Sometimes, headaches can go away on their own with rest or a little relaxation. What about you?
I agree. It's not always necessary to take pills. It depends on how bad the headache is. Sometimes I just use an ice pack or take a nap instead.
That's smart. But what if you're not sure which medicine to take? Do you feel confident choosing the right medication?
Honestly, I'd rather ask a doctor or pharmacist. I don't want to risk taking the wrong medicine. What about you?
Same here. I think the doctor is the best person to decide what's right for me, especially if it's something serious. For common things like a headache or cold, I stick to over-the-counter medicine I know works.
That makes sense. By the way, if you have a headache, do you still go to work or do you stay home?
It depends on how bad it is. If it's just a mild headache, I'll go to work and push through. But if it's severe, I'll call in sick and rest. What about you?
I'm the same. I don't like missing work, but if the pain is too much, it's better to rest at home. No one works well when they're feeling awful.
Exactly. Taking a day off to recover is sometimes the best thing you can do.
True. It's also a reminder to take better care of ourselves so we don't get sick in the first place.
Absolutely. Prevention is always better than cure. Thanks for the chat, Emma. It's good to talk about these things.
Anytime, Jake. Take care. And don't forget to rest if you ever feel unwell.
Thanks. You too, Emma. Stay healthy.